Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Humaira Hamid and today I'll show you a simple makeup tutorial using Sayeeda's cosmetics. Okay, so these are some of the products that I'll be using today. Okay, and the good thing about this is that it's wudu-friendly. Okay, so you can easily wash it off with water before taking your wudu. So it's perfect for everyday wear and also for days when you are going out for long hours so that you don't have to spend so much time washing them off and then putting them back on again. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, firstly, I'll start by prepping my skin with the Sayeeda Day and Night Moisturiser. Okay, and this moisturizer has chamomile flower extract, right? Okay, so it provides long-lasting moisture and also protects the skin from UV rays. Okay, so it doubles up as a sunblock as well. So I'm just going to squeeze a little bit onto the tip of my finger. Okay, and just gonna apply all over my face. Okay. It's actually very smooth and easy to apply. Once that is done, okay, now I'm going to apply the DD Cream next. Okay, next I'm gonna apply the DD Cream from Sayeeda Cosmetics. So it is a 3-in-1 formula, okay, which acts as a foundation, whitens and also UV protection. Okay, and it also has antioxidant, anti-aging and repair. So it depends on how much coverage you want. Okay, so because we are just going for a light coverage, okay, so I'm just gonna apply this much. Okay, and again just dotting it on my skin. Okay, and then spreading it all over evenly. So you can also use this as a concealer. So I'm just going to put a little bit under my eyes to cover my dark eye circles. Okay, and you can already see that it's like brightening the skin. Okay. Okay, now that is all even. Okay, so you can even go out like this if you don't feel a need to top up any powder. Okay, so after the DD cream, I'm gonna put some foundation. Okay, so this is the Collagen foundation 2-way cake. Okay, so this only comes in one color. Okay, but it suits most skin tones. Okay, so you don't have to worry, and it's a very light application. Okay, so it will just help to just set the DD cream, okay, so that it doesn't run all over throughout the day. So I'm just going to use a brush, okay, because I feel like using a brush helps me to buff the powder better into my skin. Okay, and we're done. Next is the eyeliner, because no makeup is complete without a little bit of eyeliner. Okay, and this collagen eyeliner, okay, the best thing about this is that you can just wash it off with water. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so this is how the product looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw a line on my hand. Okay, and you see it applies very well, right? Very dark color. Okay, and I'm just gonna get a wet tissue. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to wipe it off. Okay, so okay, and you can wipe. So just with maybe 1 or 2 wipes, right? Okay, so you can get the product off. Okay. So I'm just gonna apply this on the upper lids. Okay, so gonna. And lastly, I'm going to apply the collagen lip care. Okay, so which comes in this box. Okay, and the product looks like this. Okay, so it comes in this very sleek black packaging. Okay, and it twists up like that. Okay, so it looks like a lipstick, okay, but I would say it's more like a lip balm with with moisturizing properties, and it gives a very natural and healthy pink tint. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so with just one application, right, you can already see it gives that slightly glossy and pink color. Okay, and if you want to go a bit darker, or you want a bit more reddish lips, you can just go it over another time. Okay, so for me, I'm happy with how this looks. Okay, and it also follows your body temperature, so it will adjust accordingly and give you that perfect color for your skin tone. Okay, so here we have the finished look. Okay, so we started with the prepping with moisturizer, then the DD cream, and then topped up with powder just to keep it all in place, a little bit of eyeliner and the collagen lip care. Okay, so give it a try, and I hope you like it as much as I did. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.